The museum is situated in the historic former Navy Chapel in Balboa Park, adding a unique charm to the overall experience. Its exhibits cover a wide range, including race cars, celebrity-owned vehicles, luxury cars, and more, providing a comprehensive view of automotive history. The museum is involved in educational initiatives, offering programs for schools and engaging activities to promote automotive education and awareness. Beyond the technical aspects, the museum explores the cultural impact of automobiles, showcasing their role in shaping society and popular culture. Some exhibits feature interactive displays, offering an immersive and hands-on experience for visitors of all ages. The museum hosts events such as car shows, fundraisers, and community gatherings, contributing to a vibrant automotive culture in San Diego.
And they millions of them sold all around the world. That became the biggest sponsorship we ever had. It was the biggest one that we ever had today. Because it stayed there for so long.
Rotating displays, exhibits are periodically updated, allowing visitors to enjoy different themes and aspects of automotive history during various visits.
Very rare. They are. Could you open up the hood so I can take a picture of them? Well, we'll turn your back because I know how to, I know you did. You really